guys, welcome back to my channel Lotus Spirituality. In this video, I have come with another pickup pile, that is how you look in other people's eyes. So this is the topic. Okay, as usual, I have kept 3 piles here. Pile number 1, funny, the green card, and pile number 2, sensitive, the red one. Pile number 3, sweet talk, blue one. Okay, I have kept 3 piles here. Pick any one of them, choose any one of them, select one of them, and we shall start our reading. Okay, it's all about how you look in other people's eyes, how they think of you, like what kind of person you are. Let us know in this video. Okay, let us start with pile number 1, the green color, funny. Who has chosen this? We shall start the reading with this pile number 1. As usual, with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, I am going to shuffle and see your reading. Pile number 1. Okay, the first card, second, third, and bottom of the deck. People who have chosen this green color funny card, pile number 1, the world in reverse. The world in reverse says that you have worked very hard and you have lot of experience in the past. Okay, these people who has chosen this pile number 1, it suggests that you were very hard working and you have very much experience in the work, in different works, you know it better, and this is also known to people. How you look in other people's eyes, that is, other people knows that you were very hard worker in your past and you have very much knowledge and experience, and you are the experienced person. And with the Ace of Sword cards, we will come to know that you are like a break thought person. That means you have very new ideas. People think you are very creative. You have new ideas, new techniques how to do or principle like that. And people think that you are mentally you are very clear. You know what to do, what you should keep, what you should not keep. You know all those things, and you are very clear in your mind that what you want and what and how you want to achieve it. People know that, and you are a kind of success. That means after your past, after your hard work, now you have gained success and victory in your life. People think that you had that ability to gain success if you have not found success till now, but people think that you can gain success, or you can be a successful person, you can be a good person. You have that ability in you, like that people think about you. Okay, and people think you are very attractive and good looking and creative mind you have, and you are very friendly to everybody else, and you are a good partner. If you married to any person, or you are already married, or you are in a relationship with anybody, people think that you are a good partner, you are a good choice for the person to make a family with. Okay, and you won't give up with your partner, you won't give up your family. They think that you are a good person, as a good family member, as a good husband or wife or children or brother or sister, like that you are a good one. But especially in a relationship, you are a very good and loyal kind of person, and very attractive, and you people are attracted to each other. You and your partner are attracted to each other very much. Like this, people will think about you. One thing I should say, that if you are single now and if you are not married also, then also I can tell you, you are going to get a very beautiful or handsome a partner in your life is coming to you, and you will set a beautiful family. You are a family oriented person, or it um, it differs. If you are not a family oriented person, if you're a career oriented person, then also I can say you that you are very close and friendly, and the people, or a partner whom you are getting in your future is also very good. He will understand, and you both what do you call that that people think that you can give a good commitment in your family, and you can give a good commitment for your partner, your children. Like that people will think that you know very much skills about different things. It might be a dancing, singing, drawing, whatever it may be. People think that you are very creative, you have various skills, you know what to do, what not to do, and you are a hard worker before, and you have got the success after your hard work and determination, and you are a family oriented person, or you are a good partner and a loyal partner, and you are attracted to each other. Your family will be very good, and you never give up with on your family. People think like that about you, and people also think that you are very supportive, nurturing, and also joyous person. And also people think that you are very handsome, good looking, young. People think like this about you. Pile number one, it was a beautiful reading for you. Funny. You might be funny also, because page of cups suggests that immature energy, that you might act like a childish with your partner sometimes. It can happen. Okay, it was a good reading. Pile number one, if it resonates to you, please like and share as you know, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Okay, now we shall move to pile number two, that is sensitive. People who have chosen this sensitive pile number two, let us know how others feel, or how others think you are like, and how you look in their eyes. Okay, let us take cards for you. So many cards are coming. I don't know, so many cards are coming. Okay, one extra card has come to you, pile number two, sensitive. For the people who have chosen this sensitive red color, pile number two, let us see. So the file number two, sensitive. First one, strength, five of swords, ace of wands, nine of swords, nine of pentacles. This is the bottom of the deck. So guys, I should definitely tell you that you, in the past, you have been through a bad past or bad experience, because you have been cheated by anyone. It might be a financial loss, or it might be your any kind of loss, losing your partner, breakup, or financial loss. Someone has cheated you for some reason. Okay, and you were having an health issues also, and people knows these things about you. Okay, and people think that you were a kind of Think that with a great strength you have overcome it and you have started a new beginning after this difficult phase of your life. And people also think that with you are very strong people and you won't let any other negative people to attract you. You won't let any people who don't listen to you. You only attract to those people, and you only keep those people in your life who do or who thinks or who do that what you say. Means people think that you are very straightforward person and you do only what you like and you know what to do, and you are moving very fastly. People who don't agree with you, you don't waste your time with them. You just move on by keeping them aside, and you leave them and you just move on. Okay, in that energy you are, and people think that you are like this only. And everybody knows that everybody knows that they obey to you. Okay, because you have been through a past very bad, your past was very bad, and you don't want to get cheated once again. That's why you're taking this kind of steps, and that's why you have become so strict in your life that you're moving very fast out of this energy. And you think that if I be very means loose in my behavior, if I let any others to take in charge of my life, and again I will get cheated. You think in this manner. That's why you do such things, that you won't obey to others but others obey to you, and you do what you want to, you know what to do, and you do those kind of things, and people knows it. And don't worry, your future is very good because it is a nine of pentacles. You will gain knowledge very much, and you will make money also, and you are very beautiful. And or if you are not married, if you are single, then you will get a beautiful partner also. And this ace of swords will tell you you have started the new phase of your life. You have started the new beginning in your life after coming from out of this past negative energy. By taking the strength, you have started the new beginning, and you know how to do it. And based on your plans, you're doing that. You know this new leaves which is there on this wand, this is the new leaf. You know, like this you are framing your life. Okay, people think like this about you, that you are very strict, you are very straightforward, and you know what to do, and you know how to make money also. You will be very intelligent in future, and people also think that you are very intelligent people. You know how to make money, you know how to get success, but your past was not good. People think like this. And you have started the new beginning after taking a lot of strength in you, and after planning very much, and after being so rude to people who do not obey you or do not respect you. And people think you are such a person. Okay, if pile number 2, the sensitive. Yes, see how nicely it is resonating to your piles, the name sensitive. Okay, you're getting right. Okay, so the pile number 2 who have chosen this sensitive, if it is resonated with you, please let me know. And you know what to do, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Now let us move to third pile, that is sweet talk, the blue pile, third one who has chosen this. Let me see how others think about you. Okay, how you look in others' eyes. Pile number 3 who has chosen the sweet talk. Pile number 3, for pile number 3 who has chosen the sweet talk, how they look in other people's eyes. The people who have chosen this pile number 3 sweet talk, I can tell you, these are your cards. 7 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, and Page of Swords is your bottom of the deck. Okay. Guys, pile number 3. People think that before you were very weak in all the matter and had no money and had many problems. Okay, people think you were weak and you had many problems. You have faced many problems in your life. It might be anything. It might be financial. You might be from the poor family before, and you have faced different problems in your life. And but now you have grown, you have seen very tough situation in your past, and now you are making a good money. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, now you are making a good money, and in this situation people think that you are grown, you have already seen a very tough situation in your life and you have grown very much. People think that you are a very good business person. If you are in the business, I can tell you, you have expanded your business overseas or in other countries, in other place overseas, or I can tell in different place from your head office. You have grown or you have expanded your business and you are making a good money, and now you are very settled in your life. In this energy you are, people think like that. Okay, and if you're not in business, if you are not doing your own business, if you are doing job also, then also people think that you are settled, you have already settled in your life from this situation. You have gone and you have settled in your life, and people think that, oh, you have gone through the overseas and to the different, you have visited the different places in your life based on your career. For the career you have gone to different places. Like this people think about you, and people think that you are having a very stable job or the business, and you are stable in your life now, emotionally and also financially. People think like this. Okay, and people also thinks that you are in a young energy, and you are attractive to look, and also people thinks that you won't leave anyone to enter your boundaries. People think like that. You have set your own boundaries and you know what to do and how to do and what not to do in which time. Okay, and people think that you won't let any negative people to come in your life, and you won't let any negative people to be attracted towards you won't let them to come towards you. Okay, and people think that you are very straightforward and stubborn people, and people think you are very protecting to yourself. Okay, and people also thinks that you are very curious kind of person. You are very eager to know new things in your life. Okay, and also thinks that you are very quick witted. You take the actions very quickly. People thinks like this. You take actions very quickly, and you are very good communicator. You communicate very nicely, and you are little talkative. People think like this. You actually you are a talkative person, because source energy is there. I can tell you, you are not, if you're not much talkative also, you are a little bit talkative itself. Why? Because you are communicating, communication skill is very good, and you are a good communicative person, and you are a good communicator and quick witted. Okay, quick witted means you take actions very quickly, and you just move on like this like this person you are. And also people think that before speaking you won't think much before speaking. People think like this. People think that you won't think much before you speak. Okay, and you need to think about it also before speaking. Okay, and you are very protective, inspirations, ideas, and you get some delayed news. Something, for some it resonates, it won't resonate to all of you. This point, that is delayed news. You get a little bit delayed news. You won't get the news very quickly. For some it resonates. Okay, not for all. And people think that you need patience. I think you don't have much patience because you are a quick witted. That's why people think that you need some patience, and people think that you use your head rather than your heart much. Okay, and people also think that you do pity gossip, and you are truthful, and you are very direct, you're straightforward and fighting against injustice. People think like this about you. Okay, and also people think that you get drawn to an arguments very easily because you are a quick-witted person. Okay, it might be resonated with you or no. Keep in mind it is a general reading. If it resonates to you, let me know. And the people who has chosen this sweet talk blue color, I can see very clearly that this pile person is a good communicator. Sweet talk and good communicators. Oh my god, it is resonating so very much. I'm happy, and it's a good pile, it's a good reading. Thank you so much for Lotus Spirituality for watching this Lotus Spirituality channel. And if it is resonated with you, please let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.